y'all, welcome to another edition of What I Bought Wednesday. Now, if this is your first time joining us, just know that What I Bought Wednesday is my space where I share all of my finds, all of the things that are bringing me joy, and I let you know where I got them, just in case you guys want to do a little bit of shopping with me. So today we are jam-packed. We have so many things to share. And a little bit of holiday, a little bit of some really fun towels I got for the bathroom, a little fashion, and a little bit of makeup. So, and an organizing find too. I forgot about that one. So, okay, I'm gonna start here with everything I have on this tabletop. Y'all, unfortunately I can't link this because I couldn't find it online, but I just left my local Walmart store and I found all of this stuff. So I'm in the middle of holiday baking. I actually just made, I can smell it, it's in the oven right now, some super yummy cranberry bread. Oh, I'll put the recipe for that. I'll link that below. It's my mother's famous cranberry bread. And so I make it every year, and this year was no exception. And I found the cutest measuring cups, measuring spoons, and this adorable tree cutting board all at my local Walmart. So first things first, I want to show you guys these amazing measuring spoons. These are tiny little gnomes. Absolutely adorable. They're held together by a ribbon. I just think this would be so cute, like tied on top of a loaf of bread. Also, I found these fun towels in stripes and checks. This amazing tree board, I don't know, it's a wood cutting board, and it comes with this little Christmas tree knife on the top of it. I thought it was so cute from the local Walmart store. So to me, a fun gift idea is I made the bread. Whenever I make cranberry bread, I always make double the recipe because one to enjoy and one to share, and it would look so cute on top of this cutting board wrapped up with a little knife or spreader. I guess it's not a knife, technically it's a spreader. This little spreader attached to the top of the bread. Also too, y'all, I know these look like bowls right here. Well, these are actually bowls. Look at this fun set of little nesting bowls. So it comes with a stripe and then this fun snowflake and this fun green and red tiny little bowl, and they all nest in together like this. I just thought cute to have on your counter. You could put pine cones in there. You could put just different candy. They would make cute like an appetizer thing if you had guests over to your house. But then the last thing that I want to share with y'all is, look, these are little measuring. Can y'all even believe how cute? So here's a little measuring. This is a cup, this is half a cup. They all stack in together and make the cutest little, look at this one. Oh, it's so cute. But anyway, just some fun finds. I actually discovered them at my local Walmart. So just check your Walmart. They were in the holiday section at the front of, or at least at the front of my Walmart store. So, okay, the next thing I want to share, another little Christmas find. This is, so Advent starts December 1st, and today is November is it the 17th? I think it's November 17th. So November 17th, and so Christmas is just around the corner, and what cuter way to count down all of the fun days to Christmas than with this adorable Advent calendar. So it's all numbered. Let me kind of hold it up to the screen so you guys can see it. And the little drawers pull out. You could tuck a little gift in there. You could tuck some candy. You could tuck an encouraging note, and then open one every single day of Christmas. So I see Buddy is walking behind us. Buddy is very interested. This is our golden retriever. He is very interested in What I Bought Wednesday. So this is just a fun way to count down the days until Christmas. And I had it actually just ready to go on my sideboard there by the stairs. So really, really cute Christmas find. Oh, okay. So the next thing I want to share with y'all is, if you're looking for a gift, or if you're getting your guest bath ready for guests, let's go with these towels. I ordered them off Amazon. You can get them personalized. So I got, these actually came right out of the twins' bathroom. I got them personalized with a W for, our last name is Wood, and then the twins are Whitney and Wesley. And so these are just the cutest little finds, and they're really, really affordable. I ordered them, it only took, and I ordered the W. They came in, of course, you can order whatever letter that you want, but they were really affordable, a fun little way to just kind of update your guest bath, update your, or a fun gift, I thought, for somebody who's getting married or a first time This is like a bride. This is their first Christmas. I just thought these were so cute, and they're so fluffy and soft and super affordable, and they are linked below. So just a fun gift idea. Okay, the next thing is a fashion find, y'all. I actually should have had this sweater on for the video. I was thinking about this when I was getting ready. So I just found this sweater on Amazon, y'all. Okay, how do I love it? Let me count the ways. Y'all don't even understand. First of all, it has these adorable little rhinestone and pearl buttons that kind of line the front of it. It has a ruffled neck, and then look at these ruffles on the sleeves. It's super flattering on. You can wear it out. It's a little bit longer, so you can wear it out over leggings. I wore it the other day with jeans, and I kind of did a little side tuck on the sweater, but it is like fun for, I don't know, going to cut down a Christmas tree, and it's so cozy and warm and absolutely cute. It runs true to size. I'm wearing a small, or I ordered it in a small and absolutely love it. It's a little bit long, it's not cropped, so it's really, really cozy and perfect and just a fun fashion find. Oh, I love it. And every time, and here's the thing, y'all, I'm not kidding you. When I had it on the other day, I kept catching a glimpse of these sleeves. So I would have the sleeves, and then I would just catch a glimpse of this little ruffle, and it just made me so happy. And my mother-in-law, when I had it on, my mother-in-law complimented me. So to me, any sweater that your mother-in-law compliments, like, let's go. 100% amazing, linked below. And it comes in different sizes, of course, but it's linked below. Just click on the title. A lot of times people say, I can't find your links. If you click on the title of the video, all of the links will appear below. And as always, y'all, if you have any questions about anything, sizing, colors, what I thought about it, if I liked it, if any questions at all, just leave me a question in the comments and I will answer right away, because I like to shop and I like to answer questions, and so and I'm happy to help in any way that I can. Okay, the next find I'm actually wearing right now. If you are looking for the perfect red lipstick for the upcoming holiday season, I got you. I got you, friend. Like, let's go with this color. Now, this tube has been very well used. It is one of my favorites. It's called British Red, and it's made by L'Oreal, and it's under $5. Under $5, y'all. Now, here's the thing. Sometimes people say, I can't wear red lipstick. And I'm not here to convince, if you don't like to wear red lipstick, I'm not here to convince you. But I will just say that if you're having a down day, or maybe it's a day you're feeling not cute, and you just need like a little bit of a pick-me-up, this is your friend. Under $5, perfect way to just update your look a little bit with a little bit of holiday color. I think I've ordered this like my, I don't know, 17th tube probably in my lifetime, because I wear this almost every day, but red lipstick just makes the world go round. Okay, so the very last find that I want to share with you is this Christmas wrap organizer. So I had my husband carry it over here because it is quite the situation. Now, y'all, this has so many positive reviews. I got it off Amazon, and it's already full of all my Christmas wrap. So I'm going to kind of, let me turn it around like this so y'all can see. So I have it full to the brim of, let me take this out so you can see better. Hold on, I hand you that, honey. Okay, so I have it full to the brim of wrapping paper and tags. So it comes with, first of all, it comes with these straps right here that hold your Christmas wrap in place. And I have in here probably, I think maybe about 12 tubes of Christmas wrapping paper. And it is here for it, is holding all of it. The end, it comes with a whole set at the end. And the end, I put bows in there, I put ribbon, and then it comes with 2 plastic pockets that hold, I have tags on this side, and I also have boxes and bags that I store in this plastic organizer on the top. So I put bags, tags, bows, and wrap. And then when you're done, you just zip it closed like this, and it just stores in the top of the closet, and you're ready. It's the best way to keep all of your go, if I could get the corner here, all of your Christmas wrap organized. This is what it looks like when it's done. So amazing, incredible. I highly recommend this. It has so many positive reviews on Amazon. Let's go. As always, y'all, everything is linked below. And I just wanted to share a little bit of joy, what is bringing me happiness and merriness during this upcoming holiday season. But I also want to keep it real here, y'all. I say this every single time. These are just things that are bringing me joy. I always encourage you to only buy things that you love, because the secret of truly being content and having a home that is filled with joy and things that you love is only buying what speaks to you. So I hope something here today spoke to you. As always, make sure to follow along with my channel for tons more videos just like this one. Now, in super fun news, make sure that you guys are following along, because we have a really fun Christmas tour of all the spaces. Y'all have been asking for it, and so we are working right now on putting together a Christmas tour of the house. So stay tuned for that. And as always, have a day as amazing as you are.